You're under the hood of a car, you have a code for a particular sensor, and what this will allow you to do, if you understand the class, is to look at that circuit and know which one your reference is, which one your signal is, which one your ground is, without a wiring diagram. I'm thinking of a Volkswagen that I did where it had a leak detection pump fault code, and the leak detection pump for the evap system was in the rear wheel well area on the passenger side. So I'm way in the back of the car. I'm doing checks on this thing. I have no voltage. And I pull up a flow chart. What's step one? Step one is remove the computer. So unplug the computer and unplug the leak detection pump, and then do a resistance measurement of the control wire. Pretty standard engineer written diagnostic flowchart. To do step one, I need to remove the wiper arms and remove the cowl area and then dig that computer out to do step one. I'm a half an hour into this job to do step one of the flowchart, and that's not what we want to do. So the manufacturer says disconnect this, and measure with an ohm meter for an open. You go end to end. We want to have continuity. So the meter would put out a small voltage trace and current. That's what the ohm meter does. And it measures the voltage drop on the circuit, and it reads 0 ohms. That would tell us the integrity of that wire has no opens. That's step one. What's step two from the manufacturer? It should be infinite when we put our meter either end of the wire, right? We go here and then we go to a known good ground. When that meter sends out its trace of voltage and current, it can't go anywhere. It just kind of bounces back and forth, and it says OLM ohms. That's the test the manufacturer wants you to do. That doesn't sound like much on this piece of paper here. Why is that a lot on the car? Because where's the computer live? In hell, yeah. Some of these cars, these computers live in hell. I'm thinking like Nissan is like the center console area, like in the middle of the dash. You're not getting to that one anytime soon, not easily. Some of these cars, it's a real pain to get to this engine computer. So if I have a signal fixed at 0 and I unplug the sensor and I read 5 volts all the way out here, or even easier, on my scan tool, you have a 0 volt signal and you unplug the sensor and that jumps to 5 volts, how is the integrity of your signal wire? It's good. What are you doing with your ohm meter? Can we skip that step and move on to the next one on what they have us doing? Yeah, that's the point here. That's what we're doing. This is pretty basic once you get it down.